So on this sample, we tested out depositing different materials on one substrate. So here we've got platinum, titanium oxide, and aluminum oxide. This was one of our first proof of multi-material compatibility on one sample. So on this silicon wafer, we tested some of our first multi-material depositions. So the ability of our technology to deposit different materials on the same sample. As you can see, we can just directly pattern to these different materials without needing any other technologies to do so. So on this wafer, we've got some platinum, some titanium oxide, and some aluminum oxide. So those were some of our first materials that we're able to do on our machine. Some of the reasons why we can do these materials opposed to others is because we work in ambient conditions right now. Further material development, of course, is happening because our technology is based on ALD, so we have a lot of compatible processes to develop for new materials.